Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be unboxing the Sony PS5. So it comes in this carton, baby. So this is the console.
Power button, CD eject button, Type C USB charger, Type C USB inputs, and then this is where the CD goes into.
There was on this side.
It's just the vents.
Okay.
This is where the power cord goes into, HDMI cord, Internet LAN cable, 2 extra USB slots.
So how many USB in total slots?
3.
3 USB slots. Okay.
Okay. You have the accompanying accessories. You have the control pad. There's only one in it. You have to buy
An extra.
an extra one.
Just what it looks like.
And then, of course, the power cord. Very basic. This is the HDMI cord. this right here the base of the console. Right, so this is the manual. We'll start right in different languages, and with the base, obviously you can place it in two different positions, but however, make sure it turns based on however you decide to place it. It can be placed in the vertical or horizontal position, but make sure you place the vertical position, you shift the hook all the way to hear a click like this. And then mount PlayStation lights this way. And hooks. And then you can drop it down. So that's the vertical position. Right? For the horizontal position, let's take it up. Make sure you turn the hook all the way to hear a click like this. And then you can place your console in the vertical position like this. Like this. You can go down just like that. So your console can be placed in two different positions. Thank you very much. You have your PS5.
Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. We love you. Bye-bye.